Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever wonder what could help you regrow fuller, thicker hair if you're dealing with hair loss? Today, we're looking at men's Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Foam, a treatment designed specifically to help men tackle hair thinning and hair loss. If you're someone who's been dealing with receding hairlines or thinning spots, this could be the answer you've been searching for. Let's dive in and see if it really lives up to the hype. Men's Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Foam is a topical solution that's been designed to help men grow fuller hair in areas where thinning or balding is noticeable. The active ingredient here, minoxidil, is clinically proven to work on the scalp to stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair regrowth. This foam form makes it easy to apply directly where you need it without the mess of liquid drops. The formula is unscented, which is a bonus if you prefer a more neutral option for your daily routine. Now, on to the real-world experience. Using the product has been pretty straightforward. I'm not the one using it, though. My husband's been testing it out since it's obviously not something I'd use. He's been dealing with some thinning at the crown, and after about 3 weeks of using the foam twice a day, there's a noticeable difference in the texture and density of the hair in that area. He mentioned that the foam feels light, and it absorbs pretty quickly without leaving any greasy residue behind, which is great for anyone who hates feeling like their scalp is heavy or oily. In terms of daily use, the foam is easy to incorporate into his routine. He uses it after his shower and doesn't need to wait long before styling his hair. However, I should mention that, like most minoxidil-based treatments, consistency is key, and it's crucial not to skip applications, or you could lose the benefits. The product is gentle on the skin and didn't cause any irritation or redness, which is often a concern with topical treatments. The pros of this treatment definitely start with its ease of application. The foam is quick and doesn't require a ton of time to massage into the scalp, unlike some of the heavier liquid forms. It's also unscented, which my husband loves, because it doesn't interfere with his cologne or create any lingering smell. On the flip side, the product is a bit on the pricier side, especially considering that it's only a 4-month supply. If you're expecting instant results, this isn't going to be a quick fix. You'll need to be patient and use it consistently to see visible results, which might take at least a few months. When you're looking at the cost, it's important to evaluate whether this treatment is worth it. At its price point, it's pretty standard for a product of this type, but the long-term investment could feel a bit steep for some users. That said, considering its effectiveness, it's likely worth it if you're struggling with hair loss and want something that works. When compared to other treatments out there, men's Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Foam stacks up fairly well. There are some alternative brands that offer similar ingredients at slightly lower prices, but the Rogaine brand has been around for a long time with a proven track record. It's one of the most trusted names in hair regrowth treatments, so if you're looking for reliability, it's hard to go wrong here. As for build quality, the canister design is pretty standard for a topical foam like this. It's easy to handle, and the foam comes out without any mess. The packaging is simple but effective, and I haven't heard my husband complain about the pump, which is a good sign. Regarding customer support, my husband didn't need to reach out to Rogaine's customer service directly, but from my research, their support is known to be responsive. They offer a satisfaction guarantee, which could be comforting for anyone hesitant to try it out. It's always nice to know that the brand stands behind its product. If you're thinking about alternatives, there are other brands like Kirkland Minoxidil or Hims Minoxidil Foam, which also work well, but at a lower price point. While these alternatives might not have the same brand recognition as Rogaine, they do the same job in promoting hair regrowth, so they could be worth considering if you're on a tighter budget. Overall, men's Rogaine 5% Minoxidil Foam is a solid choice for men dealing with hair thinning or loss. It's not a miracle solution that works overnight, but with consistent use, you should start seeing results in a few months. If you're looking for something easy to apply and with proven effectiveness, this could be the treatment that helps you regain fuller, thicker hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and experiences. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.